Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another episode of Software Review, and today we'll be reviewing the graphic design platform Kittl. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. So what is Kittl? Kittl is a versatile platform that lets you create your own designs using a wide range of templates, from logos and t-shirts to posters, cards, and much more. One of the things that really stands out about Kittl is the variety in their templates. Whether you're looking for stickers, specific posters, or even niche designs, Kittl has something for everyone. I've compared it to so many different graphic design platforms, and this one by far has the most results that show up. You'll always find something specific to what you're looking for, and that's what makes it special. What truly makes Kittl unique is their AI feature. Unlike other platforms that don't have this capability, Kittl's AI can generate designs based on simple chat prompts. For example, you can ask it to create a wedding invite with specific details, and it will generate a professional quality design for you in seconds. This tool can save you so much time, especially if you're a graphic designer working on multiple projects. This basically cuts your design time by 90%. So if you're a graphic designer charging clients for these designs, this AI tool will change your life and ease your workflow. So I've told you that they have a lot to offer in terms of content and materials, but what about their pricing? Now they actually stand out with their pricing. Kittl offers some of the most competitive and affordable pricing options in the market. Their Pro plan is just $10 a month, which allows you to work on 100 projects with full access to premium templates. So anything that is premium, you can use for just $10 a month, which is less than 2 cups of coffee at a cafe. That's a great deal considering the amount of high-quality content you have at your disposal. There's also a free version available. You can use the free version, but it's very limiting because it's only 20 projects per month. Then you have the Expert plan, which is $24 a month if you pay yearly, or $30 a month if you're paying monthly. Obviously, we'd recommend the yearly one because it just works out cheaper in the long run. But with that, you get so much more out of it, so it's really super cool. So, there you have it. A quick review on why Kittl is one of the best go-to platforms for graphic design. Between the variety of templates, the innovative AI feature, and the affordable pricing, it's hard to find a better option out there. If you're interested in trying Kittl, check out the link in the description box below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.